Hello, and thank you for your interest in our industry-leading barcode inventory tracking system. We are a full solutions provider. In this video, we'll introduce our latest addition, the inventory import feature for enterprise users. This latest enhancement offers enterprise users, among many configuration options, the option to import data from an Excel file to one or multiple standalone accounts in a chosen site. When performing a global import of inventory data, high-level access users are asked to follow these simple 5 steps. Step 1. Users are asked to select one of the following forms: stock item, category, customers, units of measure, vendors, or addresses. Then, select one or multiple accounts to add the data to, as well as the site to add the data for each selected standalone account. Step 2. Users are asked to select the desired Excel file containing the inventory data. After checking the preview of inventory data provided by the system, the user can proceed to the next step. Super admins are provided with added flexibility. They can import new records to add to the inventory data they added in the second step. Then, users will have to select the category fields on the system based on the Excel file to be able to proceed. Step 4. The system validates the inventory data added for import. Admin users can now add data or edit existing data. Then, the system provides them with an option to revalidate the inventory data. Step 5. Users will have to wait for the data to be imported. While maintaining ease of use and adaptability, we at ASAP Systems strive to routinely update and enhance our inventory system to keep up with the latest trends, best practices, and most importantly, to cater to our customers' expectations of excellence. Stay tuned for more videos detailing the cutting-edge inventory and asset tracking technologies and benefits offered by ASAP Systems.